guests for you today to help you viewers at home. We have Hugo on the drum kit and Henry on the seat over there, but we'll get to them in a second. Alright, so subtraction. Okay, so let's say subtraction basically means taking away. So say, right guys, if we had 10, okay, and then we go 10 take away 2, what that means is you start off with 10 fingers and then you take away 2, so you go boom, boom, and you are left with how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really good. So now let's open it up to you guys. So right now, if I start off with 10 and then I take away 7, now okay, a little bit harder. What would you have left? Can you do it with my fingers? So you go 10 and now can you take away 7 fingers? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many fingers have we got left now?
3!
Well done, guys. Now, do you think we could open up to a little drum video? All right, okay, so now we're gonna have Hugo rock out some drum kits, all right? And then Henry is going to be counting how many hits they did. Let's go. Hugo, take it away. So, yeah, good. All right, so now let's go 10 take away how many hits he just did. So 10 take away, how many hits?
3.
Yes, what's 10 take away 3?
7.
Really good. All right, let's try and do another one now. Yeah! Henry, what's 10 take away 5?
5.
Yeah! Okay, thank you so much for watching another maths tutorial here today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!